Have you ever experienced that sensation when the vibrancy in your life feels less intense than before? Many of us can identify with that experience. It's often more than a single cause. It can create a ripple effect, impacting both your relationships and overall happiness. So, how can you reignite that energy? Fortunately, it is possible. The key lies in discovering methods to nourish both your body and mind from within. The reasons behind such feelings can be intricate. Factors like stress, exhaustion, and natural bodily changes all contribute. Here's where a contemporary, natural approach to wellness can truly make a significant impact. A team of specialists designed a solution to aid you in rediscovering that spark in a natural way. By addressing the underlying factors that lead to low libido, this supplement enhances blood flow for increased sensitivity, balances hormones for better mood, and combats fatigue that hinders you from feeling your best. This isn't merely about reviving your desire, it's about reclaiming your joy and self-assurance. Picture yourself eagerly anticipating intimacy once more, feeling more linked, and enjoying extraordinary satisfaction. It's time to prevent a dimmed spark from obstructing your path to happiness.
Thank you for watching. For a more in-depth review of the product, click the link in the description below to visit the official website.